Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. One more assignments related to the numericals of multiplier. Here statement is given. In an economy, every time income rises, it means it shows the forward action of multiplier because income rises. Then 75% of increase in income is spent on consumption. Now suppose in the same economy investment rises by 750 crore and then we have to calculate change in income and change in saving. So let us start. For the solution, first of all I am writing down all the formulae which we will use in this numerical. Number 1, K is equal to change in income divided by change in investment. Number 1. Number 2, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Number 3, MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Then we have to calculate change in saving. Change in saving because of MPS is equal to delta S upon delta Y. So MPS multiplied by delta Y is equal to delta S. So we will use all these formulae in our assignment. All the 4 formulae. So let us start with number 1. In an economy, every time income rises and 75% of increase in income is spent on consumption. 75% of increase in income is spent on consumption. What does it mean? It means the value of MPC is given, which is 75%. So let us calculate the value of multiplier. K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC because the value of MPC is given, is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 75% or 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to 1 upon 1 by 4 is equal to 4. So the value of multiplier is K is equal to 4. We have to calculate change in income. Change in income means delta I. And change in saving means delta S. For the calculation of delta I, let us put the value in first formula. K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. Recently we have derived the value of K, or by putting the value in this formula we get 4 is equal to delta Y, and every investment rises by, we have to calculate delta Y because change in investment is given. This is related to delta I. Delta Y we have derived and delta Y which is 750. So 4 multiplied by 750 is equal to delta Y, or 3000 is equal to delta Y. So the value of delta Y is 3000 we have derived. Then we have to calculate the value of first, then second. We have to calculate the value of change in savings because of MPS is equal to delta S upon delta Y, or MPS multiplied by delta Y is equal to delta S MPS. By putting the value in this formula, the value of MPC is 0.75 plus 0.25 is equal to 1. So the value of MPS will be 0.25 multiplied by delta I, which is 3000, is equal to change in savings. So 25 divided by 100 multiplied by 3000 is equal to change in savings, is equal to 750 crore rupees is the value of change in savings. Or this is 75% plus 25% is equal to 1. So the value of MPS will be 25%. This will be 1 by 4 multiplied by 750 as it is. So in this way we can calculate the values of either change in income, change in saving, or change in consumption. So that's all regarding this numerical. Thank you.